Okay guys, so let's have a look at NVDA. So today, well, it's been only 2 hours and yesterday's plan was to watch this move, basically try to catch this move. And well, guess what? I didn't make any money off of this move. I did get faked out, but I didn't lose any money either. So I walked away with a very small amount of money. When in the morning, basically, this is what I was watching. When stock was getting overextended like this, plan was to let the stock test this pre-market high and fail and roll over like it did right now. But it did fake out many people, took them for a ride, and then slammed it right back down. So it's getting overextended, and we knew that it was getting overextended on a daily chart. My plan was for this stock, well, let's see what happens. If will this stock lose 5-day moving average, which is at the moment 891. That's the support I'm watching. 880, another support. And I was maybe thinking that if it gets pretty ugly, it can come down to 20-day moving average, which is 786. Let's see what happens, but these are the levels I'm watching to the downside. I'm not in the camp of I was watching a guy who basically said literally yesterday that Nvidia can hit $8,000, and it's an analyst. It's somebody who has been analyzing stocks for some time. I think it's in Charles Schwab network, and I'm like, holy smokes, I bank with them, who they are bringing on to the shows. But it's true story. He was predicting that this would hit 8,000, of course not ultra short term, but by 2030 he thinks that Nvidia will be worth $8,000, which is 10 times of this capitalization, which is $22 trillion, which is almost half of the entire S&P 500. I mean, at this valuation, at today's valuation. But it can definitely shop, but I'm watching Nvidia maybe slowly drift lower, but I'm watching the stock from here for maybe panic selling if it drops a little bit more. But so far, for the day, still positive, 0.6%. But we'll take a look later. I'm not going to look at the option activity. I know there's a lot going on, and look at the calls. It's been what, 1.5 hours, 1 million call volume versus 550 million puts. So this could be shorts. I mean, the people who bought longs, they're getting rid of them, or they're still buying calls. So that's the video for Nvidia. Be careful out there. See you in the next one.